In this movie, I'm going to show you the 100 square controlled applet. The idea is that I can enter a number here, say 23, and this number of red discs are displayed. Because the number of discs in each row is set to 10, there are 2 rows of 10 and 3 left over. I can change the number of discs in each row here to say 5. The discs are rearranged accordingly into 4 rows of 5 with 3 left over. Now I'll use this applet to explore 2 special sets of numbers: rectangular numbers and prime numbers. Basically, each of the counting numbers from 2 up to as far as you want to go is either rectangular or prime. Let's look at some examples. I'll start with, say, the number 8 and see whether it is rectangular or prime. And I'll reset the number of discs per row to 10. So the question is, can I arrange these 8 discs into a rectangular pattern? By the way, having a single line of discs is no good. I need to have at least 2 rows and 2 columns for the pattern to be rectangular. I'll try arranging them in rows of, say, 5, and that's clearly not a rectangle. What about rows of 4? Yes, I get 2 rows of 4, and I have created a rectangular shape this time. So 8 is a rectangular number. Of course, 2 rows of 4 isn't the only way of forming a rectangle with 8 discs. I can do it as 4 rows of 2 as well. Now here's another one, starting with, say, 51 discs. I'll try in rows of 10 first of all. This is not a rectangle. Rows of 8, rows of 7. There are clearly plenty of arrangements that don't form rectangles. I need just one that does. And here's one. Arranging them in rows of 3 gives 17 rows exactly. So 51 is a rectangular number. Now try starting with, say, 31. I'll try it in rows of 10. That doesn't give a rectangular shape. I could try some more possibilities, for instance in rows of 9, 8 and so on. But however I try to do it, I'll never get a rectangular shape. This is something you can check for yourself. So 31 is a different sort of number. Any number that can't be arranged into a rectangular shape is known as a prime number. The smallest primes are 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So there are the 7 discs arranged in a single line, but there's no way I can rearrange them to make a rectangle. In fact, there are infinitely many prime numbers. Like the counting numbers, the list of primes goes on forever.